You won't believe how easy this dress is, and it's literally made with just one stitch. Hey makers, I'm April, and when I shared this beginner crochet dress pattern, I had no idea how fast it would take off. It went completely viral. It became one of my most popular designs ever. I have over 80 free patterns, and this by far is in my top 3. There's a reason why I called this the triple dress, and that's because the one stitch you're going to use throughout the entire pattern is triple crochet. That's it. Now, when I was designing this dress, I really wanted it to be cotton because I wanted to wear it in the summer. I didn't feel like I wanted that warmth. I wanted to be able to wash it and wear it and have it be lightweight for me to wear on top of my bathing suit or when the weather's hot. And I just wanted something that was bulky so that it would work up quickly, and it was 100% cotton. So I found the perfect yarn, and it is Billow, and it is a bulky weight 100% cotton yarn. This is extremely soft, and it is so easy to work with, and it works up really quickly. So I love this yarn so much for this project. It is still available. I just checked before I filmed this video. So it's available on crochet.com. My friends at We Crochet had provided this yarn for me to design this pattern. And I actually designed this in 2022. That's how long ago, it feels so long ago. That's how long ago I designed this and published this on my blog, and it is still going viral. So if you have never made a crochet dress, this is a perfect pattern for you. It is really simple, and like I said, zero shaping. It's one stitch and it's just seams. So I'm going to get into exactly what you need for the pattern and how it works out. So to make this dress, I call for an 8mm, and that's because this is a bulky weight cotton. I really suggest getting a nice lightweight cotton, but bulky helps because it works up so quickly. And I mentioned before, it only uses triple crochet. Seriously, all of these stitches are triple crochets. It's going to be a fast project. This is the perfect project for you to sit in front of Netflix and binge watch a show, and you'll be done. It honestly will work up so quickly. The construction for this pattern is very beginner friendly. It is really just worked flat, and you're going to have 2 panels. You're going to leave a neck hole, and you're going to actually work the arms with the panels flat. So the arms are going to be worked back and forth along the sides of the panels, and then you're going to basically fold it in half and seam under the arm all the way down to the ground on one side, and under the arm and all the way down to the ground on the other side. That's it. I would say the only tedious part is seaming if you don't like doing that, but that is literally it. It is one big, massive panel piece that's folded in half and seamed together. So that's how easy it is. Now I want to talk about sizing and shaping. So I've written this pattern extra small to 3XL. So I've given you the directions in the free pattern, which is linked below, of course. You can see how wide your panel should be for the size that you want to make. Now, one thing I want to say about this, you can make this dress any size. You don't have to follow my guidelines or my numbers below in my pattern. I understand that every body is completely different. Everybody feels comfortable wearing different sizes. Make whatever size you want. Make it as wide as you want. My suggestion, which is written in the pattern, is to measure the widest part of your body, and that is how wide your panel should be, because that's how it's just going to slip on and just feel so flowy and comfortable. It's not fitted. It's meant to be that way because everyone is different and everyone feels comfortable in different ways. So make this dress exactly how you want it to be. This is the most beginner-friendly pattern you are ever going to make, okay? It is lightweight, and it is flattering, and it is comfortable, and it is perfect project for you. So you're ready for the summer. You can put it over your bathing suit. I definitely think you should try it, and it's free. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the pattern, or if you can't wait to make this dress, or you've already made it, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe. I have beginner-friendly wearable patterns all the time, and they are always free. othcrochetnook.ca is my blog. Check it out there. Until next time, see ya.